Hello everybody, how you doing? Here Adolfo Indacochea, and I want to talk to you about a few tips. This goes for anybody that would like to jump on stage, or that is part of a team, amateur team, professional team, or maybe perform solo with a partner. I'm going to give you a few tips that I think it may help you when you go on stage. A lot of my dancers always ask me what to do, how do I handle the stress or the anxiety before the shows. And my answer always is the same. Well, actually a couple of answers. Main thing is why you're on stage, right? And you need to know why you're going on stage. You're going on stage as a hobby, you want to be a professional dancer, you want to do that the rest of your life, you just want to be part of the experience, see how it feels, and maybe enjoy it, maybe not, but something just, like mainly as a hobby. Or if you want to do it in a serious way, if you want to do this hobby, it's a totally different thing. But if you want to do something serious with that, you have to respect a lot, many factors. And one of them is to train, to rehearse. Because the only way that you're going to be less anxious on stage is not going to be even training. Because when you train, you're still going to be anxious. But if you train,